Hey there, welcome to LearningPath. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of regulatory affairs in the pharmaceutical industry. If you're in pharma, you know how crucial this field is, but for those who are new, let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the role of regulatory affairs professionals. These folks are the unsung heroes behind every new drug or medical device that hits the market. They navigate the complex maze of regulations and ensure that products meet all the necessary legal requirements. Think of them as the bridge between the pharmaceutical companies and regulatory bodies like the FDA and EMA. Their job? To make sure that every product is safe, effective, and compliant with all the guidelines before it reaches the public. Now, on to compliance and guidelines. This is where things get really interesting. Regulatory affairs professionals work tirelessly to ensure that their companies comply with the ever-changing regulations set by bodies like the FDA in the United States and the EMA in Europe. These guidelines cover everything from clinical trials to manufacturing processes, and even post-market surveillance. Compliance is not just a box to check, it's about maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety. One slip-up can result in hefty fines, product recalls, or even legal action. So yeah, it's a big deal. But what's in it for you? The career prospects in regulatory affairs are incredibly promising. With the pharmaceutical industry growing rapidly, there's a high demand for skilled professionals in regulatory submissions, quality assurance, and compliance. You could find yourself working on groundbreaking therapies, ensuring they meet the required standards before they reach patients. And the best part? It's a career that offers both stability and the chance to make a real impact on public health. Many professionals in this field also enjoy the flexibility of working across various sectors, from biotech to medical devices and even cosmetics. So whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot your career, regulatory affairs offers a dynamic and rewarding path. You'll need a keen eye for detail, a passion for science, and a knack for navigating complex regulations. But if you're up for the challenge, the rewards are well worth it. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LearningPath. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.